Today we've got an Alfa Romeo Giulietta 175 TBI. This has got the TCT gearbox and it chatters, it really rattles. Plan is to investigate it with the intention to fix it. We have got a gearbox place down the road, so if it all gets a bit too top heavy, we can send the box over to them. But let's break it down and see what we can find. So this is the gearbox of the Alfa Romeo Giulietta TCT gearbox. As you can see, it's on the bench now. If we spin, next we're going to be taking apart the pressure plate and investigating inside what is making the noise. To be continued. Okay, so top pressure plate, clutch, second clutch, dual clutch, next pressure plate, and that was our noise. And then the release bearing. Okay, just a update. We've had a delivery. Thank you to the Alfa shop, Norwich. Everything actually comes in one pack. So we've got the 2 clutches, 2 pressure plates. As you can, if you can hear that, nothing. That's what we're after. Also comes with a series of different bolts and screws that come with it. The slave, its end cap, little spriggly sprogs. And we're still going to find out what this sensor actually does that sits on the back of the gearbox. Come back for that one. We've gone ahead and brought the flywheel as well. Just thought while in Rome, some new bolts, and we've got some drive shaft seals. Next job is to assemble it all into the gearbox, and there is a certain procedure which we've got the LUK PDF and video which we're going to be following. I'll make an update when it all gets fitted. Okay, so far so good. The replacement clutch slave has been fitted. We've checked the input shaft and it's all nice. It's been cleaned and lubricated, and we're fitting the replacement solenoid. All things going good. The rest of the setup will be finished off tonight. Okay, so after taking measurements on the clutch assembly, the pressure plates, we did find that using the ruler and a torch with the straight edge isn't really accurate enough, and we doubted ourselves. Going out and buying a digital vernier caliper gauge really was the answer. It's a lot of work to put it gearbox all back in and realise that you're a couple of mil out. We don't know how accurate you've got to be, so we got it all spot on. So definitely use one of these. And the next stage is, once it's all fitted, to carry out all the relearns via the diagnostics. We're using a launch machine here. It actually gives us a good clutch matching system to follow. Everything's all been followed and activated. The car said it was happy, and the computer said activate was successful. Last thing we have to do is turn the key, make sure there's no weird noises coming from the gearbox, and there's no weird lights. Operation was a success. We're going to give it a few miles road test and double check everything. Signing out on this one.